Okay, hello and welcome to the show. I'm Andre, I'm the co-founder of BotTalk, and today I'm gonna talk about one of the templates that we created for the BotTalk. And what are the templates? Templates are a way for you to kind of kickstart your development of a new Alexa skill or Google action. And today I'm gonna go with one of the template that was submitted to our GitHub repository, which is located under github.com/bottalk/templates, and there was a submission from Alexei Vidanov, and there's a very nice README there, and all the kind of links and videos and stuff like that. And he also recorded a video instruction for that if you want a detailed kind of walk through this skill. And I'm just gonna go and to my BotTalk and create a new scenario. I'm gonna go with tip of the day. I'm gonna click on the next. We're gonna go with the empty skill, finish creation, and then launch a new scenario. And what you want to do is you're gonna want to click on the main, then copy. I'm gonna go to a raw, copy this and paste it, and you wanna add if there's an include, there's got to be 3 files there. You're gonna add the tests.yaml there. By the time we publish this tutorial, it's gonna be already fixed. And in this raw you're gonna have the tests as well. So and then what you want to do is you want to go to the tip of the day intents as well, copy the intents and paste it. And you're gonna see in the slots, if there are initial slots, there are no slots there, so there's no need to copy and paste it. And then you're gonna hit the save button to check if the formatting is okay, and then we just quickly gonna go through the logic here. So first step is initial step is gonna be executed first, and what it does, it sets some variables. So first variable it sets is the current day of the week, and is going to be equal now, and then is going to be formatted with the date function of the tweak, the templating language that BotTalk uses. So as you can see in the comment, the number of the current day of the week, 1 for Monday and 7 for Sunday. So we're going to need this kind of index in order for us to walk through the next variable, which is called tips. And the tips is an array that has, as you guessed it, 7 objects inside of it, and each object has text to speech. Text kind of, this is a placeholder for text you want to send on Monday. Then there's a card title with a Monday card, and then there's a card text, you know, something that you want to place inside of the card, and then there's a card image which you could also kind of customize for every kind of day of the week. So when there are like 7 days in this array, which is called tips. And then what Alexei does is he's going to go ahead and send some text with using this variable tips, and then using current day of the week. So you remember it's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, and then the text to speech key. So it's gonna if today is Friday, it's gonna take the 5th object, and it's gonna take the value from the text to speech key, and it's gonna be this is a placeholder for any text that you want to send on Friday, sorry. And yeah, and then you're gonna go with a send card, and the title you guessed it, will be a card title, and the text for the card will be a card text, and the image will be a card image. So it's pretty straightforward. And then yeah, and then basically it's not gonna have any like input or stuff like that. It's only one step, right? So in order to customize it, you just add your own content inside of this array, inside of each days, and you're off. You've got your own daily tip of the day skill, which is very useful for kinds of news skills, kind of skills with some changing topics every day, and yeah, very cool retention reach skill. And we're gonna go and save it and just go ahead and test it. So we're gonna hit the run button.
Open tip of the day. This is the placeholder for any text you want to send on Friday.
So as you can see, it works. We actually got this send text that was meant to be on Friday. And yeah, so this is a very simple skill, yet very useful template for you guys to kind of jump into the development and create your own tip of the day Alexa skill or Google action. And we are very excited to see what you guys come up with, and see you in the next one.